Hi Year 9s, welcome back to some more maths exercise 2K. You can see I've got your online textbook here. I just want some people to be aware of some of the other features that you may not have discovered with your online textbook yet that are quite useful. So today for this video we're actually going to go to the walkthrough section and go through the walkthroughs. There's not a lot of new material. We've been doing simultaneous equations all term. We're just going to have a look at how we can apply simultaneous equations to various different situations. So to go to the walkthroughs page, just once you get into the exercise, rather than clicking on exercise or the notes at the start, go to the walkthroughs and let's have a go at the first one. Walkthroughs are great because they'll make you fill in answers as you go and they'll help you if you make a mistake. So an adult fare on a bus is $3 and a child's fare is $2. 45 passengers paid a total of 119. How many adults and how many children were on the bus? So step 1. Define your variables. They've done it for us here. They've let A be the number of adults on the bus and C be the number of children. That makes pretty good sense to me too. What is the sum of the number of adults and the number of children on the bus? So A plus C. Well, they tell us in the question, with simultaneous equations, remember there'll be two values that we'll need to write equations to equal. One of the values we know is there were 45 passengers. So right here, I'm going to fill in the 45. And it will tell you whether or not you got it correct, which is great. And then you go to the next step. So we've got our first equation, A plus C equals 45. The total price of all of the fares is 119. Which equation represents this information? So every adult, they cost $3, and every child's fare costs $2. So it should be $3 for each adult and $2 for each child. Let's accidentally get this wrong and say 2A plus 3C. I just want you to see, because you'll never get one wrong and you'll never know what happens. Let's just get one wrong and see what happens. Oh, it says, it should be the other way around. So if you make a mistake, it's going to correct you and help you with your thinking. That's right, adult tickets cost $3, so A should be 3. Child tickets cost 2, child should be 2. So it should be $2 for every child's ticket. That's why we will end up with the right answer if we go ahead and do that. Much better, isn't it? So this is stepping you through the process that you would usually do. These are the questions you should be asking yourself, roughly, when you're going ahead and solving these questions. To use the elimination method, you need two equations that have a common term. Yes, you need the coefficients of one of the terms to be the same magnitude. Select the two ways to get a third equation from equation 1 that will have a common term with equation 2. So to get the a's the same, what would I need to multiply by? Well, to get a to 3a, I'd need to multiply by 3. What about to get the c's the same? To get c the same, I need to multiply equation 1 by 2. So I can multiply equation 1 by 3, or I could multiply equation 1 by 2. They look pretty good. Multiplying equation 1 by 119, well, the a's and c's, they're not going to work, are they? So definitely we've got the 2 that we need there. Next step here. Number of children on the bus, well, we're still going, so they're working through. They've now found 3 times that. What am I going to do? Am I going to add or subtract? I think that's what it says. By subtracting 2 from 3. So they want me to subtract this 2 from 3. Why did they choose to do it that way? Well, you can see 135's larger than 119. 3c's larger than 2c. Going to end up with that positive c. That's what we want to do. So 3 minus 2. 3a minus 3a disappears. 3c minus 2c is just c. And 135 minus 119 is 16. How'd we go? Yes, we did well. That's good. Substitute c equals 16 into equation 1. A plus 16 equals 45. Subtract the 16, and we've got a equals 29. Oh, that's got a 2, but no 9 there. 29. How'd we go? Looking good to me. Are we done? Step 6 is 6. By finding the total fares for 29 adults and 16 children using that, can we check that? 3 times 29, 87, plus 32, 117, 118, 119. Was that what we wanted? I think it is. So we just check our working, and we've got it correct there. That's how you use the walkthroughs. They're quite useful. They give you a good summary. That would be the actual working you would show. But the walkthroughs just step you through one by one. Are there any other comments to make there? Just reminding you of the procedure. So that's also another really good thing to have there. You could do it again. If you had a bit of trouble with it, it's worth doing it again. If not, go to the next walkthrough and see how you go. I'm going to leave it there. I want you to have one to do. Just a short video today. Why not? And we will catch you in the next one. See you next time.